Hi guys,
You can't see me properly.
this is Orella,
This is Mom.
Zima. For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Orella so we can see how smart she is. Ito maganda tong question ko sa now. For example, I'm the owner of the time machine. So I'll give you two choices. Orella, where do you want to go? From the past to see dinosaurs or to the future to see robots?
Future to see robots.
Ano na?
Future to see robots.
Okay. So, pupuntahin kita sa future sa 2000,
5.
sa 3 year 3000. So, ang makikita mo na dyan, mga robots. So, what do you want about robots?
So, pag pagod ako, they can linis me. They can get my cell phone. I can say that they can type it. Anything I want.
So, you want a katulong robot?
Yes.
Kailangan nyo ng assistant robot. Can do all the personal or house stuffs for you.
Yes.
Okay. For example, ano ba?
Ikaw naman, dinosaur or robots?
Robot din.
Mama, ikaw.
Parang natatakot naman ako doon sa dinosaur.
Si Miguel. Baka si Miguel dinosaur.
That's not impossible.
It's impossible.
Na in the future marami ng robots ang ano ba tawag doon? May invento mga robots. So Orella wants a kasambahay robot. Anything that can do for her is inside home. Bakit? Ano si Ryan?
May robot yun.
Oh, talaga? Anong ginagawa ng robot? Anong ginagawa ng robot niya?
They answer questions. Like, what is 1 plus 1? It
Ah.
is 11.
Okay din yun So, anything they ask to the robot can answer. Wow, very good naman yung robot na yun. Pwede din yun, di ba? Lahat ng question mo, lahat ng hindi mo alam na question, a robot can answer for you. That's good also. Naku, ang mahal siguro ng robot kapag ka may for sale na robot.
25
Saan nakuha nila Ryan yun?
sa mall.
They bought it?
Yes.
Talaga ba?
Sa
Or
MIT.
they just went to the mall and watch or hire a robot or what?
They bought it.
They bought it?
They bought it.
Talaga ba? Wow, nice naman si Ryan, may robot.
Hindi, kapatid yung meron siya wala.
Mm.
Siya lang yung wala.
Pareho tayo ng sagot. We want a robot in the future. Kayo po ba? Anong gusto nyo?
Ano gusto niyo? Dinosaurs?
Back from the past to see dinosaurs or go in the future to see robots? Pareho kami nasagot ni Orella, robots. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. God bless.